Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce. First, choose the freshest, ripest tomatoes you can find. They are the secret to incredible flavor. Next, gather your basic kitchen tools and ingredients like olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Begin by washing your tomatoes thoroughly and removing their cores. Then, gently cook them until they soften, which makes them easy to process for a smooth sauce. Once your tomatoes are soft, you can chop or crush them directly in the pot. This is where the magic happens. Add your favorite aromatics, such as minced garlic and fresh basil, to infuse the sauce with depth. Let the sauce simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure it cooks evenly and doesn't stick to the bottom. Now it's time to perfect the texture. You can use an immersion blender or a regular blender to achieve your desired smoothness, from chunky to silky. Next, season generously with salt, freshly ground pepper, and any additional herbs you love. If your tomatoes are a bit acidic, a small pinch of sugar can balance the flavors beautifully. Always taste and adjust until it's just right for you. After your delicious sauce is ready, let it cool completely before storing. This prevents condensation and helps maintain freshness. Carefully pour the cooled sauce into clean, airtight containers or jars. You can refrigerate your homemade tomato sauce for up to 5 days, perfect for quick weeknight meals. For longer enjoyment, freeze it for up to 6 months, ensuring you always have a taste of summer on hand.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.